most developers don't struggle with coding, they struggle with execution. When you are building a startup or product, your tasks quickly become chaos. So today, I will show you exact Notion workflow I use to plan features, track bugs, and ship faster. Clean, clear, no nonsense. This is how a senior developer execute every single day, and you can turn your idea into actionable workflow. This is my code base. You can see it's a very big, and because I already have this is called multi-tenant SaaS platform. So if I try to update or refactor one file, I have to refactor my most of the code. So that's why you need some strategy. Or if you are alone, okay, and you are handling your backend front end architecture, that means you have to focus more on building stuff, not just focusing on debugging. Because if you get some like bugs, and then if you try to fix it immediately, then most of the time you waste your time. So that's why I have a strategy. So I follow this strategy, and because my ultimate goal just execute, then in later make it happen, which means fix the bugs or make it more beautiful. So this is the Notion platform, and you can use any other platform, but I use Notion. So here you have, and right now, if you don't know about Notion, just you have to click, because now Notion provide 1 month of free trial. Just you have to ask AI whatever you want. Okay, just you have to ask, and AI can create that. So this is the my table. Okay, and it's called execution tracker. So I have some filter and some board. So this is execution board. From here, this is a Kanban board. If you don't know, this is the Kanban. So here you can understand, okay, this is my plan task, this is my queue task, and this is a progress task, right? And also there is by task and by domain, which means whatever features I have, right? So it's very easy to track. And this is the date, the status. So like I have planned, queued, in progress, blocked, done, all the status. and and you also have to put your effort. So this is the first priority. So uh, I have few priority: critical, primary focus, secondary focus, and backlog. And then I have tasks. So this is a which means I'm focusing right now building, not debugging or other else. So that's the build, research, refactor, polish, understanding the architecture, and then review. That's the task type. And then I have effort, which means this task I have to spend time. So how much? And then I have issue type. So what type of issue I'm getting while building this while executing these tasks. So and so pretty much all the field you can see, right? And so I can track, and then while I'm building or executing, must be I will get the bugs. So here I just collect the bugs. So I focus on building, and then I collect the bugs. And also, if you look at the issue type, the root cause, the fixed status, and then priority and issue severity. Because maybe priority is more, but issue may be low. Issue severity um, may be critical, but priority is not. So that's why, and also effort and complexity and execution block when you want to execute, and then domain, and then the time. So uh, this is called I collect debug. And then I have also a to-do list, separately my 3 days plan. So if you look at, this is the, and now my startup date is, this is the date is 20 day number 28, and the date is 13 March. And so today mission is, I just list out, and it's a task, 4 tasks I have to focus. And then based on these 4 tasks, if you look at, this is my build to-do list. I already create here. Okay, I already create here, but here also I'm tracking. So this is the build and then debug. So whatever debug I will get here, I have noticed. And then I have polish, refactor, and review. So refactor or maybe infrastructure here, what I need to adjust during building. Maybe I want to adjust, right? So yeah, it's not true for yeah, but somehow if you need, then you have to write down, because your goal is clear. Move faster, even even using AI, but you will get stuck if you don't understand the execution process. And then, and the review, what I done and what is remaining. And yeah, so and then tomorrow focus. So yeah, this is the tomorrow and day 29, and same things, and the similar things is yeah, day 30. So I plan 3 days. Yeah, even you can plan your week, your a month, right? But I prefer lower uh, time block, because maybe maybe I might be complete the tasks, right? And yeah, so this is the execution, this is the to-do list, and this is the debug. So this is, this way senior developer or any team works. Because if you think, yeah, if you work very complex project, or your startup or your product is very complex, SaaS regarding, then, and even you are alone, and so your brain says, man, I'm building a product, production ready code, so I have to make it like everything clear. That's totally fine, but you will be stuck to fix the bugs. I observed, like, I observed, that's why I create this strategy, and this strategy totally works, right? Not only just code, but anything. So if you look at, I also have my other stuff, like to handle yeah, my personal operating system. Like, so right now I'm working 16 hours. So if you look at, I also tracking my personal things, like mood level, focus level, productivity level, energy level, urge trigger, and the thought pattern, the reward type. Like, because if you look at, I work almost 14 hours a day, right? And then this is the distraction level, hours time block, all this stuff. Because everything I want I accountable. So you can track your previous things, because today all become a database. The more data you have, the the better decision you can make, right? That's, guys, so that's why there is a difference between I want to make it happen and I'm making it. So you only can make it if you strategize your things, right? And particularly code development is very complex than you thought, right? I expect I'm gonna make it in 30 days, but I spent almost 28 days, and also 30 days on research. That's why this is my experience I share you. If you, yeah, so you can generalize this strategy for anything, but I'm just sharing based on my nowadays workflow, right? And like, not only I'm using Notion, like I'm also using Miro for, like, yeah, Miro, or maybe Canva, right? Other platform for other purpose. But yeah, so this is just execution plan. So in next video or in other video, if you like, I can share also how can I use Miro or other uh, platform to to understand my complex workflow. So for now, thank you so much watching this video. If you think this video help you out to understand the complex workflow. So please share this video, like, and or particularly comment, so I can understand the way I am sharing it's useful or not. So thank you so much.